I'm making okra. Guess what? I'm using sausages. Look. I cut them up, remove them from the casing, cut them up, and make them into meatballs. And I'm using them today with my okra and potatoes. My delicious sauce and all the rest of the ingredients to make a delicious meal. Okay, so have you tried okra yet? Come on. If something is good for you, why don't you go ahead and try it? Do yourself a favor. It's like you have instant medication. It helps in everything. So, this is what I'm making today. Okra is a repeat recipe in my house because we believe in longevity and good health. So, here it is. Okra, potatoes, and sausage. Italian sausage, which I made into meatballs. Wow. Okay. This is Lita. Bye.